Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave. Displays. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Ford Focus LX sedan. Stock reference number 4577. The shape runs from the 11th month 2008 through to the 7th month 2011. It has an AODB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. AODB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, radiator grille. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has multiple dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a few small dents, right front door also has a couple small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, Sony single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.